Hello, I'm going to be talking about Generally. Generally is a web-based program that allows you to make multimedia learning tools. It allows people to make interactive media more easily. As you can see here, they have presentation, infographics, and gamification, which is the thing I'm going to be paying attention mostly in this demonstration, and also training material and ability to make blink content. So we're going to go to gamification. In gamification, they have quizzes, games, and even escape rooms. We are going to look at quizzes because that's usually the most common. And we're going to go through one of their pre-made examples. This example is going to be the university test. As you can see here, we can also change the palette. As you can see, they have pre-generated fake words and answers. We're going to go through one correct one and one wrong one to show self. So that was the correct one. And it does show a pop-up screen to restart the quiz. Now we're going to go through and create our own using the basic quiz template. As you can see in the basic quiz template, we can change the words, of course. We can add resources or interactive buttons, such as a home button. So that will probably bring us back to the home screen. As you see, there's a home button here. Make interactive areas and do inserts of videos and audio. So currently we can also add animations and do different animation styles based on what we want. So I'm clicking hover over mouse, so this will make a continuous drawing motion with the item that we created. Now currently, most people would be, or teachers would be making a presentation. There's also the ability to make a interactive media with presentations as well. As you can see, I can click on introduction. I can go back to home. I can skip all the way to development. And this would be good for indexes and being able to teach at your own pace or even do an in-person presentation. That is the end. Thank you for listening to this quick run through of Generally.